Part 2 of cleaning our fridge with us. We took everything out. Now we're going to wipe it down real quick. Another chocolate milk. That's gross. And now we have a creamer. Let's dump this out. Go, 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 go. Recycle. Another recyclable. Push it down a bit. How gross these are. Throw away. Excuse me. One. 3. This cheese is nasty. Let's throw it away because it has my putting the ginger in here. We didn't wash them. Oh, Luz, can you pick that up? Sorry. Three, 2, 1. This one. Perfect. We're at Target and we're gonna get everything. Oh, shoot. Come back for part 3. Bye. This will be the last part.